Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to bulk edit records in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, just go ahead over to your contacts in here, maybe people, companies, or even leads, okay? Maybe people, I have records in here. So to bulk edit, okay, what you can do is just go ahead over to the top left and click on this checkbox, okay? Now what you'll do is just go to the top and click on edit, okay? As you can see, we are now editing all of the contacts in this list, okay? As you can see here, I don't have a title for all of my contacts. I'm going to go ahead and click on this hyperlink that says click to edit, okay? Maybe I'm going to go ahead and add in Copper contacts, okay? And then once done, the contact type, if you want to go ahead and edit the contact type for all of your contacts in here, as you can see, I have 3 different values. That is because I have 3 contacts with 3 contact types, okay? When I go ahead and go to contact types right here, as you can see, I have current customer and categorized potential customer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. As you can see, we have the drop down available. You can now go ahead and add in maybe all of your contacts are potential customer or current customers, okay? Or you can go ahead and add in your own contact type. Now, I'm just going to cancel it, okay? Owner, right here, click to edit, add an owner. I'm just going to go ahead and add in myself right here. And the visibility, it could be everyone or your teams or individuals, only you, or the record owner only, okay? Now, once you're happy with your setting, you can now go ahead and click on update, and there will be a pop-up. Just click on yes, submit changes, okay? Wait for it to load, and as you can see here, it should now be updated, okay? There you go. Title, all to Copper contacts. All right. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and filter this out before bulk editing, okay? Let's say you want to filter it out by contact type, okay? It can be potential customers right here. Now just click on this back arrow key, okay? Or forward arrow key. Now go ahead and select all of your, again, potential customers right here in this list, okay? Then go ahead and click on bulk edit. There you have it. That is how you bulk edit records here in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.